Hello everybody, this side again Mr. B. N. Ghadai with another concept related to aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Today we'll see the derivation of saving curve from consumption curve. Let us start this concept with the derivation of saving equation from consumption equation. That we'll see. As we know consumption function is C is equal to C bar plus By. Here C bar is autonomous consumption, B is MPC, and Y is income. And we also know Y is equal to C plus S. So that S, that is saving function, will be Y minus C. You all must agree with me, because Y is equal to C plus S. Income is equal to consumption plus saving. So saving is equal to Y minus C. So now we'll substitute the value that Y minus, in place of C, we can write, put a bracket, C bar plus By. Now further remove the bracket, then it is C bar minus By. By substituting the value, we put minus C bar in the beginning, then plus Y minus By. Again, it is minus C bar. Take Y as common, then it remains Y1 minus B. So by rearranging, right, the saving function is equal to minus C bar plus 1 minus B. It is 1 minus B. It is plus 1 minus By. This is saving function. That means once again we can write saving function is equal to minus C bar plus 1 minus By. That is what the saving function is. Our equation is derived from the consumption function or the equation. And here S is saving function minus C bar. Minus here means it is at the zero level of income. C is autonomous consumption, and that will be negative saving. So that's why we have minus C bar. So minus C bar plus 1 minus B. B is MPC, marginal propensity to consume, because we know MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. So that's why MPS will be 1 minus MPC. So 1 minus B, and Y is income. I hope you are clear. And this is how you can derive the saving function or saving equation from the consumption function or consumption equation as it is given. Once again, I am telling you, know C is equal to C bar plus By, and you also know Y is C plus S. So since Y is C plus S, S is equal to Y minus C. Now substituting the value, we can write Y minus, in place of C, we write the value of C, that is C bar plus By. Now as we lift the bracket, then we have Y minus C bar minus By. Further rearranging the equation, we have minus C bar plus Y minus By. Then we have minus C bar plus Y I have taken common is 1 minus B. Further I have rearranged it. So it is minus C bar plus 1 minus By. So saving function is minus C bar plus 1 minus By, which is S is saving function, C is negative saving, that is equivalent to the autonomous consumption. That zero level of consumption is autonomous consumption, and this same amount will be dissaving. So that's why here we write is minus C bar. Suppose at zero level of income your consumption is 40, then this minus C bar will be minus 40 here. So since saving function, it will start with minus 40. And then it is 1 minus B. Here 1 minus B is MPC. So 1 minus B means 1 minus MPC is equal to MPS into Y. Income is Y. So this is how we can derive the saving function from the consumption function. Alternatively, you can derive the consumption function from the saving function. No problem. Is it okay? Now we'll go to derive the saving curve from the consumption curve, because the same equation will use. We have seen because the saving function or the saving equation can be derived from the consumption equation or consumption function. That's why the saving curve can very well be derived from the consumption curve, and the root is because y is equal to c plus s. Because y is equal to c plus s, you can find out y, s from c, or you can find out c from s. If saving given, consumption can be found out y minus c is saving, and if consumption is given, saving is equal to y minus c, and if saving given, consumption is y minus s. So because the root is y is equal to c plus s. Let us start. So now we'll derive the saving curve from the consumption curve. First we'll go for a diagram. On the upside we'll have consumption curve. We'll take small diagram. And below we'll have saving function, saving curve. We'll derive the saving curve. Here OX, here also we write OX. This is OY. This is also OY. This measures income. In crores, this is income. This is consumption. And this side we have saving. And as you know, consumption, because of the autonomous consumption, the saving curve, the consumption curve will not start from the origin. It will start somewhere in the y-axis above the origin. Let us say you can take any point. It depends upon the autonomous consumption. So you can start from here. So this is the consumption curve. Say CC is the consumption curve, and OC is autonomous consumption. And now we'll draw the 45-degree line. That is the income line. That is income line. You can write Y. This is also aggregate supply curve, because Rasa income is same thing as aggregate supply. So, and you see what is happening here. There is a intersection here at point E, and you see before that, when the income is 0, the consumption, autonomous consumption is OC. So this much, as I told you, this will be negative of OC will be the saving. So that's why the saving will start from your OS, which is equal to minus C bar. This is C bar, and this will be minus C bar. Exactly same amount. This is OC is autonomous consumption. That's why in the saving it will be minus C bar. And that's why the saving curve will start from here. And you see here is break-even point. Break-even point. Break-even point. What is break-even point? Now here consumption is equal to income. Y is equal to C. So S is equal to 0. So that is why if you draw a extend this line and it touches here, now the saving curve will intersect the x-axis at point R. This is point R is corresponding to point E, because here saving is equal to 0. Because here on upper side consumption is equal to income, lower side you see the saving is 0, and this is the saving curve. This is how the saving curve is derived, and the saving curve starts from the negative area of the y-axis because of the autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption is OC. That's why the negative amount is minus C bar or minus OC, that is equivalent to OS. So here OC and minus OS, that is equal. So here C bar and here it is minus C bar. That's why the saving curve has started from the negative area, and we see at point R, point R is corresponding to point E. At point E, this is break-even point. Y is equal to C, means income is equal to consumption. So saving is to 0. That's why the saving curve has intersected the x-axis at point R. Afterwards, what happens? you see here the consumption has become less than the income, then that will give rise to positive saving. Before that, the consumption is more than income. That's why we have been negative saving, and the saving curve is below the x-axis up to point R. Before point R, you see the saving curve is below the x-axis, which means saving is negative. And how it comes? Because the consumption is more than the income, initial stage. At point E, income is consumption. Income is equal to consumption. That's why saving is 0, and the saving curve intersects the x-axis. So at point R, the saving is 0. That we have mentioned here. Afterwards, the consumption has gone below the income, so there will be positive saving, and that is the reason why the saving curve has gone above the x-axis. So that's how we can derive the saving curve from the consumption curve. It is an upward sloping curve also, and saving, because saving is an increasing function of income. Thank you. I hope you understood the concept very well. Next, we'll come with the equilibrium, determination of equilibrium level of income. Thank you very much.